Hello! Nandito kami ngayon sa Minamia. Sarap!
But because Superman got confidence and he was forced to go back, they lost the goal lane even more. So at some point, the PNC just needs to start allocating some resources to turn them up there. I think trying to get turned out of lane and then
sarap! Sulit, the best.
And I'll take that goal like 4 out of 5 times. I would always figure at the fourth time they hold it down.
Subukan na lang. Subukan na. Oy, galing naman ang bibi ko talaga. Big boy na yun. Sarap? Sarap? Huh? Sarap yun eh. Sarap? Hmm? Pogi ah. Pogi naman yan. Sarap na sarap ah. Hindi halagang masarap. Sarap? Sarap?
Pinakamasarap na ramen. Pinakamasarap na ramen. Pinakamasarap na ramen.
Talaga ba?
On that side of the map, they do take the damn slow. Kurt down on good reset though by TNC Pro 4 and even Ronnie Gun they decided to reset it. But now Ronnie they are mid the weather blasting Yowie. Pop the AOG, no one home. Rusko taken down by Lord JM. Death by Snoop. Oh yo.
May egg. Init.
Nakalag ka?
Hindi.